Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making homemade caramel candies. These are perfectly soft, chewy, and sturdy enough to wrap. No candy shortcuts, just classic stovetop technique done right. This is a foolproof caramel recipe made with simple ingredients and a candy thermometer for perfect results every time. Enjoy them plain, sprinkle with a little flaky sea salt, or dip them in chocolate for an indulgent homemade candy treat. Perfect for holidays, gift giving, or anytime you want real old-fashioned caramel candy. First, we're going to prepare an 8x8 baking pan with parchment paper. Makes it easy to get them out. Now, in a heavy bottom saucepan, we're going to combine the sugars, evaporated milk, heavy cream, corn syrup, butter, and salt. Now we're going to cook that over medium heat, stirring frequently until the butter melts and the mixture is smooth. Okay, now we're going to attach our candy thermometer and stirring constantly until the caramel reaches 240 to 243 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 115 to 117 Celsius. This could take up to an hour. So it's a good workout for your arm. So there it is, it's almost at 140. Now we're going to remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Now we're going to immediately pour that into our prepared pan. We're going to let that cool completely. It'll take several hours, or you can do it overnight. Now we're going to remove it from the pan and take off the parchment paper. Now you can sprinkle that with a little flaky sea salt and then wrap those up individually in a little bit of wax paper. So there you go, caramel candies. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.